everyone, it's Tina with TSRcreations. I'm going to do a quick little video, and it's this little wooden heart. I was going to do a resin beach scene on it, but I decided, because of my last video, and I want to use up the rest of this magenta, to do a swipe magenta on here because I think that would look really pretty. You can prime your surfaces. I probably will, but I just wanted to show you real quick how I tape up the back of my hearts. You just tape them all up with painter's tape. You can even get that. I've used the dollar store painter's tape. It's even works perfect. So, and then I just cut the edges. Okay, just like that. And these always get, my hearts always get a coat of resin. So after I paint them, unless I do a resin beach scene in resin, I will paint them. Like this one, I'm going to pour on it, and then I will give it a coat of resin. So it'll be all taped up and ready to go for that. Okay, so that's all you do, is just cut around. And that's it. Okay, I'll have to fix that. That way you keep the back of the heart nice and clean, and it's easy to get the sides, the resin off, so it doesn't make little beads all over the back. All right, so I am going to just paint this lightly real quick with a primer, and then dry it off. And I'll be back and I'll show you how I pour, or how I'm going to do my swipe. Okay, I just wanted to show you really quick the primer. This primer I actually had, it's a Kills all-purpose primer. I had it on hand, so that's what I'm using. So I just mixed it real quick, shook it up, and I'm just going to apply it on the wood. Okay, that's all. So I'll give this a nice coat, let it dry, probably help it out. I'll probably blow it dry a little bit so I don't have to wait too long. But this all right, so I'm back. It's all primed, ready to go. Before I get started, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. If you are new here, consider subscribing. That'd be great. If you like this video, like my video, you can go follow me. I have Instagram, Pinterest. I have TikTok. I have an Etsy store. You can go and check all that out. I have a link down below in the description. I did start a new channel. It's a soap making channel. I'm keeping it separate because it's just, I don't know, I could have combined the channels, but I don't want you guys to have to pick through what you guys want to see. So, but if you're interested, go check it out. It's The Art of Soap by Tina, and this is the first video that I made. It's a beach scene soap. It smells so fresh and clean. It's so good. Anyway, I started making this cold process soap and I'm loving it. It's so much like art. It's unbelievable. The way you pour it and twirl it and make designs and different landscape themes. Anyway, this came out pretty good. It's not exactly, but it was my first time making a landscape soap. So if you're interested, go check it out. It's The Art of Soap by Tina, and I will post a link to it here. But anyway, love you to check that out for me. So let's get started. Colors I'm going to use. Obviously, I'm going to be using this is the leftover, the magenta that I had from the one pour that I did, the swipe. I came out awesome. I'm going to be using Liquitex Dioxazine Purple, Color Shift Blue, a little blue black, a little Prussian blue, and this is the blue black by Pebeo, sorry. I'm going to use the Phthalo Turquoise Blue. These are all the same colors that I used in the last one, and the Playful Pink, because I really liked, and the gold. If you want to go back and watch that video, I'll link it here so you can. So I'm just going to put this down, and I should have enough. Yeah, plenty. All right. So I'm just gonna go like this. It's been sitting a little while, so I maybe should put a little water in it, but that's okay, it'll be fine. All right, so I'm just gonna spread it out, get my sides. Usually I don't make you guys watch this part, but this was a little one, so I figured it'd be easier. Okay, and just make sure it's all covered. All right, and I'm just gonna tilt this out a little bit. Yeah, this was a little thicker, but it should be all right for this wipe. If I was doing a Dutch pour, it would not be all right. It's because I let it sit there for a little bit, a couple days. That's all right. Yeah, if you were doing a Dutch pour, you'd want it much more fluid than this. You'd want, oh, it's going. It's not too bad. And that's when I just add the water to stuff like that when I do those. All right. But it's good. Make sure everything's covered with the pink. All right, I think we're good. All right, and wipe my hands. Let me see, we're getting good. All right. All right. I need to take paper towels here. Hold on. All right. I have my paper towels for this swipe. All right, so I'm swiping with the same thing I've swiped with in the past, like several videos I've put out. It's the American Floetrol and Amsterdam white paint. That is it, nothing else, no oil. 4:1 ratio, that's it. I use 30 milliliter little medicine cups to measure it out. And I just make a big batch. All right, so let's get started. So I'm gonna put down the purple first. I think I want to do something different. Let's see what happens. And then the blue, or the color shift. And then I'll do a little Prussian blue. Playful pink. The Phthalo Turquoise and gold. All right. All right, I have my paper towel. I have my Floetrol. I'm actually just going to pour it onto the lid. It'll be easier because I don't have a piece of cardboard handy. And I'm just going to dip. All right. good, doesn't it? I like it. And when after it's resined, oh my God, this will be beautiful. I sell a lot of these little hearts. I got them at Michael's. Was it Michael's? Yeah. Have not seen them there in a while. I did find them online. So I will check to see if there's a link and I will put it in the description box. But I haven't found these. These are 9-inch in a while. And they're nice thickness, so probably like a 1/2 inch thick maybe. And I sell a lot of them. I do a lot of them with resin, a lot of beachy scenes. And whenever I take them anywhere to a show or whatever, I always sell them. So let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. So consider subscribing. Again, check out my soap channel. And we'll see you soon with another video. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. It looks like a hummingbird right there. You see it?